Hey there, welcome to the Acne Clear Chef. My name is Thomas Grabowski, and today I'm going to show you how you can cook your very own bison steaks. Now, red meat is an excellent source of protein, iron, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs in order to be its optimal health and being your best self. I personally like to choose the highest quality grades of meat that I can so I can ensure the optimal health and making sure I feel and look my best. One of those foods I love to incorporate into my lifestyle is organic, wild-caught, or wildly raised bison. Bison is a lot leaner than ground beef, and it has an excellent protein composition as well as a healthy balance of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids. If you're looking forward for a healthy meal, I recommend you try this one out. With that being said, let's dive in. Okay, so to start this recipe off, you're gonna need to have 1 to 2 strips of New York or ribeye style steaks. Again, I'm using a bison strip loin steak today. You can use any cut of steak that you prefer. This is just the one that was available at my supermarket. You can get these in high-end grocery stores like Farm Boy or Whole Foods. A really great thing about this, one of these steaks actually has 51 grams of protein, so that is an insane amount of protein, which is great, which will probably cover half to 1/3 of your protein needs depending on your weight. We'll also need some oil to cook it in, so I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil. You can also use coconut oil or ghee. For the seasonings, I'm going to use some steak seasoning as well as salt and pepper, which is my pretty much basic staple I use in almost all my recipes. And for some extra flavor, I'm going to be using a couple cloves of garlic, finely minced and crushed, as well as some fresh sprigs of thyme. If you don't feel comfortable with this part, you can just use the basic seasonings like salt, pepper, and steak seasoning, but this is definitely going to add a nice aroma, and we're going to baste the steak and sear it with some of the oils and as well some of the butter, which I'm also going to include into this recipe. So to start this recipe off, you're going to want to take a cast iron skillet or stainless steel pan, and you're going to want to heat it on medium-high heat. And I'm simply going to add some olive oil. Okay, and while that's heating up, I'm simply going to grab my steak and I'm going to unwrap it and get it ready to put into the pan. Okay, so while your pan is heating up, we're just going to season our steak with some salt and pepper, as well as some steak seasoning as well. And I'm just going to throw that in the pan to sear. So I'm gonna cook my steak for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. You wanna make sure you have a nice dark brown sear on there. You want that really juices to get captured through the cast iron skillet. Again, steaks cook fairly quickly. I really like my steaks medium rare. I find once it's smoking, I add a little butter. Really gonna add some extra flavor to the steak. Gonna throw some sprigs of thyme here. Just gonna take maybe like 2 or 3 and just throw it in the pan there. Woo! Hey! Alright, and there's a quick little sample of how you can put this delicious steak together. Alright, and that's the recipe video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy this one. If you guys want to see more videos like this, feel free to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. And let me know in the comments, what is your favorite meal to make? I want to learn more about my viewers and see what kind of recipes you want me to make, especially if it's something that maybe that you love but you have an intolerance or an allergy to. Let's try to take your favorite recipes and elevate it and make it a healthier version. Thanks again one more time for watching the video, guys. And again, if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe on my YouTube channel. And until then, I will see you on the other side. And thank you so much for all the love and support. I am very grateful for every single person viewing this video. And I hope I can invite more people part of the tribe. And let's get cooking and let's get healthy together. So thanks so much and have a great day, guys. Take care. Have a good night.